welcome back to my channel. Today we have a cool new gadget. I have a Sony speaker review for you guys. Here it is. So I picked up this extra bass SRS-XB speaker. This speaker is in the color black. It also comes in the colors gray and blue. So guys, this speaker is water resistant. And it's supposed to have a 24-hour battery long life. So that means you're gonna be listening to a lot of music. Without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. There's 3 sizes to this model of Sony speaker. This is the speaker right here. Inside the box you will get a little manual of your speaker. The only thing it does bring is this little USB charger. I do have pretty small hands, so the fact that I can actually grip it in a nice I can grip it nicely. I'd actually like that. So this is the speaker. It's so cool. It's not round. You guys can see it's like a U shape. This is where the lights are. You can see the logo right here, Sony. Now let's open up the back part, which is right here. So this is where the cool thing is. So this is where you charge your speaker. At the same time, while you're using your speaker, you can also charge your phone. It could be an iPhone, Samsung, okay? So then it has these other cool little buttons right here. I'm not gonna mess with those. So here it is. I love this rubbery feeling. Once again, here's your power button, your volume buttons right here. Plus, you know, more volume, less volume. Play, pause button. Let's turn this bad boy on. And oh my lord, look at it, so beautiful. This is what it looks like, y'all. This is the color. Shift it to this side so you guys can actually see. And this is all while you're just waiting to basically connect your phone to the speaker. This is what it looks from the back. And like I said, I really do dig the fact that I can actually hold it with one hand, just because my hands are so small that I can't do that with many speakers. But this is actually a really cool, comfortable speaker. Basically, this speaker retails at Target for $120, $130, don't quote me on that, plus taxes, $140 give or take. The same speaker, and I did see it on Best Buy for $100. So if you guys want to save yourself some $50, you guys can actually get this for $100. I love it. It's stylish, it's cute. Try and see. Alright guys, so I'm gonna connect it now. I'm looking at my Bluetooth and it does come out as SRS-XB32. So I'm connecting now. Connected. I'm gonna go on my Pandora and play the first song that comes out. So let's go. Alright, okay, so this is the lowest. You see those little flashing lights? So cute. Okay, now I'm gonna pick up the volume and see how loud it actually gets. Falling deep into dementia. Alright, so I really do like these little lights here, flashing. It's definitely loud. I do like it a lot. Alright, now let's skip it and let's go to another song and see how well it plays out. from my Pandora and I'm just skipping the song, so this is a pretty good song to see how loud it is. One more song just to see and get the full feel of the speaker. And here it is. We're gonna play some AC/DC. Once again, I'm just going through my Pandora, so. And I'm gonna raise it out loud again. Volume and see how it sounds, so that the music is gonna pick up a little more. Alright guys, so that was the speaker on full blast. I played 3 different types of songs on my Pandora. Screaming Loud is actually nice. It's very vibrant. You can hear everything. You can hear the guitar solos, you can hear the bass, the drums, the singer, you can hear everything. So this is a very cool speaker. Like I said, the LED lights also go along with the beat of the song you are listening to. It's very sleek, it's very stylish. I love the black, I love the colors, I love neon, and yeah, I played 3 songs. They sounded amazing and not just obnoxiously loud. They sounded very nice and clear, and what can I say, I love the speaker songs, and they all sounded very clear, very loud. It's super loud, not obnoxiously loud. Everything you hear, from the words that they're being sung to the bass, the drum, the guitar, everything sounds spectacular, sounded splendid, clear, and I do recommend this speaker. I love it. I haven't had anything like this, so Sony, great job. I really love this, the design, the sleek, nice black. Once again, it's very comfortable to hold with 1 hand or 2 hands. You can carry with you everywhere. I do not recommend to leave this bad boy in the water for too long, but it is water resistant. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching this review. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you have this same speaker, please comment down below. And if you don't, I really do recommend you go and get one of these. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, comment, and like my video. Thank you.